up here.
Ew, that's old.
Oh, oh, that's where the thing was, baby. The ice pack.
No.
In fact, that's probably part of the ice pack. Sorry, kid. Is that better? Ladybug, ladybug. Time to wake up. It's cozy and warm in the yellow buttercup. Ladybug, ladybug. It's time to go to school. Hurry, don't be late. That's the first school rule. What's that? I like that. You know what that is?
I don't know.
We pick them in the yard all the time. Remember the little white ones that you like to pick in the yard?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to tell you they're not to eat. They're just to touch.
That's what they're not. They're picking up.
So put your hand on your mouth. What did you say?
They're picking up. Stools.
The toadstools, you picked them up?
Yeah.
Yes, ladybug, ladybug. It's time to have with all your friends. What a lovely group you have. More sandwiches, some hot chocolate, cupcakes, and more toadstools. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that like Daddy's coffee? Yeah. Ladybug, ladybug, it's time to dance and sing. Gather all your tiny friends. Join hands to form a ring. You think they're going to ring around the rosy? All fall down.
Up.
Yum, 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 yum. Now it's back up. Not impressed? Ladybug, ladybug, time to fly away. Sun's going down, you see. It's the very end of the day. The sun going down. And look, blueberries and tomatoes. Bees.
What's this, Mom?
That's a well. You get water from a well.
No, but